So I've been wearing press-on nails since like 2020, and I keep getting requests to do tutorials. So I'm going to show you guys how I do them. I can get my nails done for about 2 weeks. So here's my tips and tricks. So first, what I do is I just clip my nails to make sure they're short and neat, and I file them down. This makes it easier to adhere the press-on nail because there's less nail that you have to attach to the back of the press-on nail, if that makes sense. Next, I just push back my cuticles. And then once I do that, I use like this little mini file. This helps clean up my cuticles and also get rid of any debris around the bed of my nail. And just makes for a cleaner, more attached press-on nail. And then after I do this, I use like a soft grit nail bit. It's hard to say that. But I use that to clean up my free nails to make sure there's no pieces that are lifting or any uneven ridges. I'm going to do that to all of my fingernails. I'm using these nails from Btartbox. They are phenomenal, you guys. You can see that they're brown tinted. They do have pink ones and nude ones as well. But I wanted the brown ones because I feel like it would blend in better with my skin tone. And they do. And you see they have a wide variety of sizes. I was able to find some for all of my nails. You want to make sure that the nail completely covers your nail. But make sure it's not too big or too small, because then it's going to come off. But just make sure it covers your nail from both sides and you're good to go. And I'm going to take this little nail off the edge and just show you guys how strong these nails are. They don't even bend. Like, of course, you put a whole lot of pressure, they're going to bend. But like, generally speaking, they are hard. And you can save 10% off with my discount code, Melissa. So 10% off, Melissa. Save you some money. What I'm doing right now is just filing the inside of the nail to get rid of that shiny part. Because just like with our natural nails, we want that part gone so that way the glue adheres better. And I'm going to take this really soft nail file and do one more buffing over my nails to make sure everything is smooth and ready for the nails. So cleaning up the nails, I'm going to be using some acetone nail polish remover. Make sure there's no nail polish on my nails. Make sure we're drying out the nails as well. I'm also going to go in with some alcohol. This is completely optional, you guys, but I just think it makes my nails last longer when I completely dry them out. That sounds horrible, but it's true. Now, it does come with gel glue. I've never used that before, so I'm not going to try that today. I'm using my trusty Marcat glue from Amazon. This stuff is amazing, you guys. Some of the strongest nail glue I've ever used. I will link it in my bio for you guys. Anyways, what I do is I put a drop on the back of the nail. I smear it around with the tip of the glue. And then I also do the same thing on my natural nail. Make sure you don't put too much glue because it's going to spill out the sides and become a mess. So sometimes I get heavy-handed with squeezing. I got to catch myself. But be careful with that. And then I just set the nail down. How do I describe it? I put it down slanted. So like the bottom presses down first. And then I press down the top of it. It's like at an angle, like at a slant. And I don't press down too hard because I want the glue to spread around the nail. And I also hold it down for 30 seconds to get the best adhesion possible. I'm going to add all my nails on and then come back. We're going to file the tip, that little piece that was attached to the strip. We're going to file that to make sure it's straight and get rid of that little chip on the tip of it. I have the long length stilettos, but they do have shorter ones on the site. They have a big variety of nails on the site, so definitely go check them out. But I'm going to take and do a little bit of alcohol on top of the nails so that way we can put on our builder gel and our top coat. So I'm going to use the builder gel first. That's step number 1. This is my first time using builder gel, so I'm doing one nail at a time. Since I've done this video, I've used it again, so now I'm comfortable with doing 2 nails at a time, but try to do 1 nail at a time. Make sure you're sealing the sides of your nail, like all the way on the tip on the side, and then the top part on the tip. Pretty much what you're doing is encapsulating the nail in the gel, and this is going to help make the nails stronger and harder and less easy to be broken. Now, once that's cured, I'm going to go ahead and apply some top coat. This also gives an additional layer of protection on your nails. So this is going to help with preventing it from chipping and help prevent it from breaking. And we're also going to do the same thing with the gel top coat. We're going to make sure to cover the full top of the nail and the sides and the tip. So just completely encapsulate that nail and the polish. And then we're also going to cure that under the lamp. You can see it comes with the gel polish, the gel glue, and the builder gel, and your nails, and your little lamp. Like, make sure you got everything that you need in this little kit. So once that's done, I'm going to put on some cuticle oil and just going to massage that in. And this is how they look. Absolutely gorgeous, you guys. If you want your nails to stay on for 2 weeks, just follow these tips. I will have this kit linked in my bio. Save 10% off your purchase with my discount code Melissa.